YouTube. Today I'm going to show you a tutorial on how to make a After Effects project. So I start off with a text box and just place it anywhere on the screen. I'm going to write 2001 for my channel name. It's 2001 JCD if you haven't seen it. We're going to extend the box to the side a little bit like this. There. Okay, that's good. Alright, now we're going to go and get another text box for the JCD. So, JCD. Okay, and now we're going to extend that as well. Whoa, it's a little big. No, I don't really like that. I'm going to make it a little smaller. That's huge. Alright, there, perfect. Alright, I don't really want it covering the globe, so I'm going to put it down there. I'm going to put 2001 up there, JCD a little down there. Alright, so I'm going to shrink it a little bit more, and I'll put it over there. Yeah, that's good. Alright, now I'm going to off-center it a little bit so that the JCD comes in a little later than the 2001, just like that. Now we're going to go over to Effects and Presets. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna scroll down to Transition, and you can pick anything that says CC. Which one should I use? I will do Image Wipe. Yeah, I like that one. That's a good one. So now you're gonna show up on the effects control of that text. So as you can see over there, you're going to drag the completion up and the effect will slowly start to happen backwards. Wait, what? Okay, sorry, I messed up there. Wrong text box. So you're just going to slowly, and right there, you want to stop it right where the text disappears, and you want that thing to be right there. You're going to click on the tiny little stopwatch because it's gone, and this will create a keyframe, so you click there, and now you're going to slowly drag that down to 0 or whenever it comes fully back, which in most cases is 0, however some it's not. So now we can watch this a little bit. So you see how that 2001 comes in nice and pretty right there. Good effect, I like that one. Now the JCD just pops in there. I don't really like that, so I'm going to add another effect for that. Let's see, which one should I do? Okay, I like this one. So line sweep, it's called, and I'm just going to do the completion, which in this case is 100%, however, in most it is not. So now I'm going to place it where I want it to start. I like it right there. Click on the stopwatch, so you see it's 100. And now we're going to drag it to right, and that's about good. And now I'm going to drag that all the way down to where it's finished, which is right there. So not 0, but pretty close. Now let's watch this. The 2001 comes in, like that. Perfect. And here comes the JCD. Nice. Okay. Now this is not in real time. The frames are not like what it will be when it's like in QuickTime. So that's perfect right there. Let's see. Now I'm gonna make the 2text 3D because it's fun. I like it like that. Alright, now we're going to shrink the project size. I don't know why I do that, but I always do it. It doesn't really matter if you don't want to, but if you do, then I would suggest doing it. So you just know what's in your space more, I guess. Let's see. Okay. So now what we're going to do is I'm just going to move this JCD up because I don't really like it down there. It kind of looks weird without the 2001 right next to it. So I like it right there. I'm going to just drag it back to the beginning. Okay, now we're going to go back to project real quick. What I want to do now is I want to go to effects and presets again. Now you're going to go to simulation. You can do a bunch of different simulations. I don't know which one I'm going to do yet. Simulations are weird sometimes because sometimes it automatically switches it to a black background. So sometimes you just have to work around it. So that, I'm going to do CC rainfall. Now, you can see I'm going to add a ton more drops than there normally are. And now you can pick the color. I'm going to pick green. It doesn't really show up that much, but if you want to, then you can do it. It just gives it a little more color in it. So now I'm going to go back to the beginning. Let's watch it. You can see that rain coming down from the sky as it appears. There comes 2001. And again, not real time. So the thing what you can do, you can click on this RAM button, which kind of looks like the fast forward button, which I just had my mouse on. So I'm going to drag the JCD in a little bit so it makes more sense. Now I'm going to click the RAM. So now this is actually happening in real time. This is what would actually happen. So you can see the rain coming. Here comes the JCD. Dun, da, da, da. So that's pretty much it. There's other things you can do. Now you're going to go to Composition, and you're going to go to Add to Render Queue. And I actually, on accident, put that in there twice. So you have it right there. I don't know what. Yeah. So you want the output to be wherever you want it to be. Really, your choice. And then you want the quality to be best. It usually is already on there, but you just want to make sure that it is, because if it's not, then that's not good, because you don't want your project to be terrible, even though you try to make it good. And Adobe After Effects is the best program in the world. So now I'm just going to click on render. This takes a while. So you can see that that bar is slowly moving towards the end. And when it reaches the end, then obviously it is done. So, I don't know, I think this one might take a little longer because the effects are like bigger, like meaning they like take more. Alright, so I just paused it real quick. Now it's almost done. Dun, dun, dun. Come on, let's move. Da 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 da. Ding! Yes! Oh, shut up, iMovie. Alright, there we go. So now you can see it. I don't know why it's doing the second one. Okay. Well, alright. Who cares? Thank you for watching this tutorial. I would like to thank the Digital Rhino. Please like and subscribe.